Hello, Dos Bros crew. Today we shall be doing an unboxing video. And this is a mystery. A mystery.
Dad got this on Amazon.
No, wrong already.
UPS. Well, somewhere, and we don't even know where it is.
Wow, we're gonna have to do beast mode to get this open. Okay, I'll let you guys take it out.
Is it a drone?
Pull it out.
What if it is?
Just pull.
I think it's a speaker because it.
Is it a GoPro?
Oh my gosh!
This is gonna be our in-between camera while we figure out what we're gonna have for a real camera
Unexpected.
for our videos.
Unexpected.
So what kind of
Here.
camera is it? Read it.
GoPro
Underwater GoPro.
Hero 5 session GoPro. And
What's this? What's
This is the handle, so you put on
Waterproof.
handle. It's a floating handle.
wait,
You
is
can
it
take
like
it in water.
a? Is it like a 3D?
It's a 4K camera.
So 3D.
No 3D. It's 4K and it's waterproof.
Okay,
You can go in the pool with this.
So
So let's do an
Pull it
unboxing.
out.
Let's open this thing up. How do we open this thing up? Starting in the
Just
bottom.
rip it.
what's this? This is the handle. or
That's the
something.
handle.
Yeah, it's a handle
If-
that floats.
Yeah, because this doesn't float. So if you go underwater, this will sink if it doesn't have the handle or something to make it float.
What if the handle falls off?
Boom.
Yo, you know what we should do? A testing video maybe on
Go
this.
thing.
Wait.
Don't put it.
Look. Open this up. This is the handle.
Right now, there's nothing for a handle.
There's something inside.
Oh,
Here
That's
we
the
go.
paperwork, yeah.
Paperwork.
oh my God.
Look, see what it says? If you break it, we replace it.
You break it, we replace it.
It also comes with
Sweet. If we
Charging-
accidentally break it,
comes with a charging cable. It comes with some more mounts, so you can mount it on different things. This is a curved mount. This is a flat mount. And I think that's it.
Wait, what's this?
we know.
Not sure.
You don't even know?
Also, remember to subscribe, like, and hit the notification button. And also, right now I want you to subscribe, and I'm gonna do a countdown. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, subscribe, and boom.
Here's the camera. That's it.
More than we expected.
It's
I got-
waterproof.
I got the floating handle.
The floating head. Like, no, yeah.
This is so light.
That's probably why it floats. I know it's
It
because
has
of
to be-
science.
It has to be heavy.
It's all science.
All right, so basically we got this GoPro Hero session or Hero 5 session. It's a action camera. It's a 1x1 or 1.5x1 design. It's waterproof,
1x1.
just like this. It's waterproof. It goes down up to 16 feet, I think it was.
Only 16.
But this records in 4K, so we can do videos with this.
It's a 1x1.
Yep, and so this goes in there.
I have a 2x2.
Yeah, this goes in there. You lock it in, and then we put into different things like the handle.
But what are these?
You unscrew this and put this into the handle. These go in there. This slides in there. You mount them on different things with sticky tape. So anyway, we're gonna pause the video for a second, charge this thing up, get all the settings set, and then continue with the video.